For where two or more are gathered in my name, there am I with them. Matthew 18:20. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Hey family, welcome back to Everything's Major. For today's episode, remaking this cheesy cheddar jalapeno and pepper cornbread. So without further ado, let's make it major. All the information and ingredients are down in the description box. So sit back and relax while I do all the work and you enjoy the ride. First, we're going to shred our 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. Next, add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups of cane sugar, 1 cup of cornmeal, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 egg, 1 3/4 cups of milk, and mix real well. Add in 2 diced jalapeno peppers, 1/3 cup of green onions. I love me some onions. Now we're going to add in more than half of our cheddar cheese and reserve the remainder. And mix. Spray your baking sheet edges with some cooking spray and add 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Pour your batter on top of the butter into your baking pan, making sure to spread the batter evenly. Then top with the remainder of your cheddar cheese. I sprinkled a little bit of green onions on top with some razzle dazzle. Let it cool and dig in. It is so beautiful and very moist. Each bite you're tasting the peppers and the cheese and the green onions. You just can't get enough. It paired well with my fried smothered chicken. Actually, I'm going to make this for my next video. This smothered chicken was so good and delicious. Paired with the candy yams, you can't go wrong. But the star of the show was the cornbread, and we even ate it for a snack. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and share with all your family and friends and subscribe. I see you next time for that smothered fried chicken. God bless you. Bye. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.